Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to make Gboard Google Keyboard default keyboard on Samsung Galaxy A36. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings App. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on General Management. After click on General Management, click on Keyboard and you will see default keyboard is here. If you want to make Gboard, so click on Gboard and turn on Gboard button. After turn on Gboard button and you will see language preference, themes, correction and suggestion, grid typing, voice typing, clipboard, dictionary, emojis, stickers and gifs, Gboard, privacy, about, and you will see. So after the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can make Gboard Google Keyboard default keyboard on Samsung Galaxy A36. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.